Okay, so if you create a piece of tab and you want to change the font for the numbers of the tab, you just have to select staff, and of course in here, then staff over here, edit staff attributes, and down at the very bottom where it says your notehead font, you select that. You click here on the select button, it opens up a range of things, so you can change the font itself, and if you want to make it darker, I would just click on bold, and then you can even change the size of your numbers. So that will, and then click OK. OK, and now your number should be darker.